As an English learner, have you ever come across an idiom that just didn't make sense? Well, today we're going to tackle one of the most common ones, the best of both worlds. Understanding this idiom can really boost your communication skills. Let me tell you a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood this idiom. My friend, Maria, was excited to try a new restaurant that offered both Italian and Mexican cuisine. "Wow, this place has the best of both worlds," she exclaimed. But when the food arrived, she was puzzled to find a plate of spaghetti and tacos. Turns out, she thought the best of both worlds meant literally combining two different cuisines on one plate. So, what does the best of both worlds actually mean? This idiom refers to enjoying the advantages or benefits of two different, often contrasting, options or situations. Let me show you an example of how to use the best of both worlds correctly. My friend, David, loves the outdoors but also enjoys the comforts of modern technology. So, when he went camping last weekend, he brought his smartphone to take photos of the beautiful scenery. "This is the best of both worlds," he said, as he captured the stunning sunset while checking his social media. Here are some diverse examples of how you can use the best of both worlds in different contexts. Casual conversation: "I love that this new restaurant offers both vegetarian and meat-based options. It's the best of both worlds." Formal setting: the company's new hybrid work model allows employees to enjoy the best of both worlds, with the flexibility of remote work and the benefits of in-person collaboration. Negative context: the politicians' compromise on the issue left everyone dissatisfied, as it didn't truly offer the best of both worlds. Humorous context: "My dog loves chasing squirrels, but also napping on the couch. He truly has the best of both worlds." Literary context: the protagonist in the novel was torn between the allure of the city and the tranquility of the countryside, struggling to find the best of both worlds. Business setting: our new product line combines the durability of our classic design with the latest technological features, giving our customers the best of both worlds. Social media usage: this vacation spot has the best of both worlds. Stunning natural scenery and all the modern amenities I need. Hashtag best of both worlds. To help you remember the meaning of the best of both worlds, try visualizing a scale or balance, with the two contrasting options on either side, perfectly balanced in the middle. This image can serve as a useful mnemonic device to recall the idiom's meaning. Now, let's dive into some fun facts about this idiom. The phrase "the best of both worlds" became commonly used in the 19th century, emphasizing the enjoyment of two different advantages simultaneously. This idiom reflects the human desire to have the advantages of two different, often opposing, options or situations without the drawbacks of either. While the best of both worlds is widely understood, similar concepts are expressed with phrases like striking a balance, finding the middle ground, or having it all. Here are a few idioms and phrases that are similar to or related to the best of both worlds. Having your cake and eating it too: this means enjoying the benefits of two things without the drawbacks. Striking a balance: this refers to finding the right equilibrium between two competing factors. The middle ground: this describes a compromise or solution that satisfies both sides. On the other hand, some opposite idioms would be caught between a rock and a hard place, or damned if you do, damned if you don't, which suggest having to choose between two undesirable options. Let's try rephrasing the best of both worlds in a different way. Original sentence: the new job offers the best of both worlds. The flexibility of remote work and the camaraderie of an office environment. Rephrased: The new job combines the advantages of remote work and an office environment, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of both. In this case, the meaning remains the same, but the idiom has been replaced with a more literal description. I recently witnessed the effective use of the best of both worlds in a real-life situation. My friend, Sarah, was trying to decide between two job offers. One at a large corporate company and another at a small startup. The corporate job offers great benefits and stability, but the startup has a more exciting, innovative culture, she said. I think the startup job might be the best of both worlds for me. Sarah ultimately accepted the startup job, as she felt it allowed her to enjoy the advantages of both the corporate and startup environments. Let's address a few common mistakes and how to avoid them when using the best of both worlds. Grammatical mistake, saying the best of both worlds, singular, instead of the best of both worlds, plural. Meaning misunderstanding, thinking the idiom refers to literally combining two different things, like Maria did with the food. Inappropriate context, using the idiom to describe a situation where there are no clear advantages or benefits to both options. Now, let's test your understanding of the best of both worlds with a few quiz questions. 1. What does the idiom "the best of both worlds" mean? A. Enjoying the advantages of two different, often contrasting, options or situations. B. Literally combining two different things into one. C. Struggling to choose between two undesirable options. Correct answer, A. 2. Which of the following is a synonymous expression to the best of both worlds? A. Striking a balance. B. Caught between a rock and a hard place. C. Damned if you do, damned if you don't. Correct answer, A. 3. Which of the following is an antonymous expression to the best of both worlds? A. Having your cake and eating it too. B. The middle ground. C. Caught between a rock and a hard place. Correct answer, C. In summary, the best of both worlds is a common idiom that refers to enjoying the advantages or benefits of two different, often contrasting, options or situations. Understanding and using this idiom correctly can greatly improve your communication skills in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal settings. Remember the key points, practice using the idiom, and don't be afraid to share your experiences with it. Now it's your turn. Try using the best of both worlds in a sentence and share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're incorporating this idiom into your everyday English. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful idiom lessons.